Ghee is the pure clarified fat derived solely from milk and can have a variety of textures. A grainy texture will not compromise the taste or nutritional benefits of ghee. Ghee is a complex lipid of glycerides, which are made up of at least 500 fatty acids. The texture and granulation of milk fat varies due to differences in the makeup of the fatty acids. It is natural and expected for ghee to exhibit a variety of textures and granularity as a result. It's nothing to be worried about. Take a look at this jar. It has two different textures, partially liquid and partially solid. Either texture is normal for traditionally made ghee. A grainy or solid texture in the ghee is an indicator that the ghee has been made correctly. Some would even say that the granularity in ghee is an indication that it has been well made. As ghee ages, time will enhance the graininess, making the ghee richer and more effective. Granulated or solid ghee will melt when heated between 82 and 111 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can easily use it for cooking, baking, or to add to smoothies or coffee.